Hey everybody, this is Jeff and Gracie. This is my daughter. We have not done a daddy-daughter talk time in Gracie's room in a while because we're always so busy. We're actually busy tonight too. But her unicorn just ate all of her stuffed animals, as you can see behind us here.
Yeah.
The sleeping bag unicorn ate all of her animals. So anyway, let's see if Gracie remembers. What don't we do?
We don't do drugs. We don't do alcohol. We don't do cigarettes. We don't do anything. And if we don't tell secrets, lies, or anything like that.
We don't bully. If we see anybody bullying, no one's allowed to touch us in any places that are uncomfortable. Okay. And if somebody does something we don't like, we get a teacher. Okay. We study hard every day. We read about 11 pages of a book every day.
Yeah.
What else? We make sure to say please and thank you. Okay. And if
we read a chapter of a book a day.
Yes, we read a chapter, but if you have to read 11 pages, what else? Every day you get up, you say thanks, to God for letting you get up. Okay, and you got to remember your mom.
You say your prayers.
Say your prayers.
I've been saying my prayers.
But always remember, I love you, and I'm very, very proud of you. Okay. Mwah. Make sure you brush your teeth every morning and brush your teeth every night. You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Nice try. We don't lie. We just got to say that.
I didn't.
Be good to your little sister.
I actually do brush my teeth and stuff.
And always remember, Mommy loves you and Daddy loves you. Let's not do that, okay? Poppy and Grandma love you. Matt and Megan love you.
I know.
Marilia, Matt, Maddie, Gabby, they all love you. Aunt Ann, Uncle T, River, Liam, and Jude, they love you. Grandpa Jansen loves you. I love you. Milton, Hilda love you. All of our family and friends, we all love you very, very much. And always remember that. We're very proud of you. So no matter what you do, as long as you try your hardest, I'm very proud of you. It doesn't matter as long as you try your hardest. Okay? Never give up. And if you fall, what do you do?
You get back up.
That's right. If you fall, what do you do?
You get back up.
What happens if you fall again?
You get back up.
What happens if you fall again?
You get back up.
What happens if you fall again?
You get back up.
What happens if you fall again?
You get back up.
That's right. What if you see somebody else fall?
You help them.
That's right. Always be generous, be kind. I'm not going to raise a little girl that's mean to people or bullies anybody, and don't ever do it. No, you're not.
Cousins.
I know. The cousins. My cousins were the same way, but you know something? I love all my cousins. My cousins are all great, and I love every one of them. I just want you to be a good girl in school. Know that Daddy's very, very proud of you. And the reason I'm saying this, we don't do it as much, but I tell you all the time I'm proud of you, don't I? But I don't videotape anything much anymore, do I, when it comes to this? We do everything else. Okay. So do a good job at school. Remember, be good for your teachers. Remember, police officers are very important. Firefighters are very important. Military men and women are very important. School teachers, doctors, and nurses are very important. And always tell them thank you. Okay? Anything you want to add?
No.
Remember, Squirt, Daddy loves you with his entire heart. Someday you're going to look back at this. These aren't really for anybody but you and I. Even though I put them on there. No, we got to go. We got to go. Give me a hug and kiss. Come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. You know what? One day you're going to look back at this, and I want you to know how I feel. It's okay. I will get up and show you. Give me a hug.
I want to know how
wow, okay.
this feels right now, though. Like, it feels so solid.
You know, you're weird.
Eating a unicorn. Look at it. It's ginormous. Nothing's ever ate this much before. And it's like, oh.
You are definitely a weird kid. All right. We'll talk to everybody later.
Yes.
God bless. Today is January 16th, 2018.